Hello, welcome to MarineMax. My name is Perry Avery, part of the sales team. We're going to go over this brand new 2024 Scout Boats 277 Dorado. This is their dual console hull. Just on the exterior, you've seen from the photos, this is a beautiful crystal blue hull color. What we've done here on the motors is we've added a crystal blue accent down the center. So I think that really brings it in with the Scout white engine color and the Scout white gel color. So we'll go kind of stern to anchor here. Notice the complete walk-through swim platform. So no splash well, no matter what side you're getting on the boat, from your dock or on a lift, you can completely walk through without jumping over a splash well and come in the starboard side entrance. Once you step into the cockpit here, you have a nice aft bolster with a pull-out stern seat. Ski tow for water sports. On either side, you can fish or kind of fishing and family on this dual console. These are fish boxes on either side, as well as can be storage. And then once you flip down this stern seat here and open up the bilge, you'll notice everything is very neatly organized. There's even SeaDeck down here. The backside, underside of all the lids on this boat finished, edges are painted. You'll really have to come down and see the fit and finish of this boat in person. So moving forward here, kind of an overview. Port side, we have a entertainment console with a Yeti, pull-out Yeti, drawer here for utensils, maybe some fishing supplies or whatever you need for the day. Freshwater sink located here. A nice pull out, but when you put this all down, you have a really nice serving space for, you know, wine and cheese platter, just a nice serving area. And of course, you wouldn't have a complete entertainment center without a dedicated trash can. So let's take a look forward and look at the rest of the boat. All right, so now we're underneath this very large hardtop. You look up, you'll have grab handles up here, and then this nice little accent panel that matches the hull color, crystal blue. I think a really nice touch from Scout. Some things you don't see on some other brands similar to this. Port side seating arrangement. So this has got a couple different configurations. This seat rotates back and forth and then slides, as well as this stern seat can move back and forth depending on where the focus. If you're running, I think it's in this configuration, but say we've just docked, we're going to slide this forward, rotate this down, and then these are facing each other, and we have a nice table that will pull up. So you can sit here, eat here comfortably, kids can be entertained right here, and it all took, 15 seconds. So love that, love what Scout did there. And so up here at the helm, very nice helm seat with a bolster, armrest. There is an induction phone charger, of course your emergency start stop. This is your Mercury binnacle. Engine trim is here. This boat is equipped with active trim. And then this is a single start stop for your twin Mercury 225 engines. Some more light switches and a panel from Scout. You do have a lockable glove compartment. Keep some valuables, and when say you're going to lunch, you can lock that. Things you don't. Okay, now focusing on your Garmin screen. Modern technology, great, any kind of navigation. Obviously you can see here, nothing different from any other really Garmin screen, but one thing Scout does is they have their switching tab here. So this is all digital switching. So you don't see these large rocker switches going above and below. Everything is clean, neat inside the screen. So forward bilge pump, rear spreader lights, nav lights, they all can be accessed right from this screen. So one thing that Scout's all about, technology, innovation. This is something you don't see every day. So one of the things I love, and Glad to demonstrate it. All right, so I guess here, Edson steering wheel, it's got this nice rubber backing, and then this knob here is amazing for docking. You can whip this around very easily. I would not get a boat without this. All right, let's go a little forward here. Induction phone charger, cup holders, USB, everything your passengers are gonna need. Little glove, phone holder or item holder there. Of course, we have to have a head on this boat. Very large head. You've got nice trim accents throughout, basin sink. You can use this even as a kind of a swimsuit change or even storage. More storage on this side, electronics closet. Have a wind door here that can be closed, and then a windbreaker door below. If it's a colder day or windier, close this up, drop this thing across, and you get a lot less wind out there. And then it's focused on the bow. So storage below, you've got storage on either side here, very deep. One of the things I note here is check out these hinges here. They don't just go straight up, they go out and down. So it saves your cushions from wear, and it makes sense. Cup holders, USB, armrests, grab handles here for when you're underway. Very safe, comfortable, deep. I think a good spot. Everyone wants to be in the bow, and I think they've definitely focused on this part up here. JL audio speakers. These are not white, these are Scout white, matched to the gel coat, so little touches of details. Forward rod cup holders, so you can put rods in these forward cup holders as well as drinks. And then this has an anchor windlass. So no more kind of the wife's throwing the anchor, you're at the helm, you can control it all from the helm. And of course, you have an anchor washdown as well. That kind of sums up this 2024 Scout Boats 277 Dorado, located here at Kent Island. If you want to come check out this boat, just give us a call. Happy to show it to you.